Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons, it's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best, highly recommended products for this year.
Hey, you down there. No, up here. You can't see me, I'm just a voiceover, like in one of those public information films from the 1950s. Having trouble packing nice lunches using all that mess? All those mismatched containers? And you can never find the right lid. It's like losing socks in the dryer. Well, hold on tight, sister. Your lunch packing routine is about to get a makeover. Say hello to EasyLunchboxes. Don't be shy, Kelly. Say hello. With EasyLunchboxes, you can pack lunches fast. No more disposable, bad-for-the-environment plastic bags, and no more mismatched containers. Just one bottom and one lid, and it all fits neatly into this cool-looking cooler bag, available in stylish colors. Stop the lunch packing madness with EasyLunchboxes. And now there's only one thing left to do. Sing the jingle.
Let's do lunch.